गोल्ड का प्राइस क्या होगा? बढ़ेगा? ओके. It's no secret that we are obsessed with gold. Unfortunately, we don't mine any in India but import record volumes, making the entire world ask us और कितना चाहिए?
50 तोला कितना? 50 तोला.
Despite our obsession, unfortunately, very little people understand how the gold pricing system works. Hi, I'm Anand Toshniwal. In the next 2 minutes, we'll understand everything to know about how gold pricing works and where we think the future will land us. But before that, we need to go back in time to understand how it started. Alright, not that back. Yeah, that's about right. It all started in the 1970s. For the 50 years till 1971, the price of gold was fixed at $35 per ounce. However, in 1971, US President Nixon delinked currency from the country's gold reserve. Following this, gold took off and currently sits at an all-time high. Let's understand the reasons for the historic rise of gold prices. Number 1. Geopolitical tensions. The gold is to an investor what a mother is to a child, always a place of safety during tensions. The current geopolitical situations with disruptions in US-China relations and the never-ending pandemic have made investors resort to gold as a means of safe haven. Number 2. Massive stimulus packages. This is one of the most underrated reasons for the gold price hike. Central banks across the world have been offering massive stimulus packages and lowering the interest rates to revive the economies. Now, interest rates and gold have what we call a 36 ka aakda. The lower the interest an investor can get from their investment, the more likely he or she is to resort to gold as investment. On a side note, it is this excessive money by central banks which is also making the stock markets across the world shoot up despite their having inverse relationship with gold. Number 3. Disruption in mine supply. The current lockdowns across the world have caused disruptions in the mine supply of gold and as a result also helping the gold price hike. Now, where does the gold price go from here? There are a lot of conflicting opinions in the market, assuming it could either reach out to 65,000 or it could crash in the future. However, most of these experts have been wrong in the past on gold price prediction. So, instead of looking for the future, let's try to look at the past and understand if you can make some reference. As recently as 2011, we had seen a very similar gold price rise to the current day, and gold reaching a then all-time high in September 2011. Even then, the reason for the hike was massive stimulus issued by central banks to recover from the 2009 global financial crisis. Now, what's interesting is that within a couple of months of it reaching the peak, it fell by more than 20%. One of the reasons for the massive fall was a news from a small country, Cyprus, that they might sell a portion of their gold reserves to pay off their debt. What we take away from that story is that any data from any part of the world can trigger a massive reaction in gold price. So it's important to track data because without data you are just another person with an opinion. So let's form our own informed opinions by tracking some important data points. Interestingly, all of these data points we're going to discuss have inverse relationship with gold. Number 1. News on vaccine. Any news on vaccines, early achievement or postponement will have effect on gold prices. Number 2. Economic data for the month. Do track industrial production numbers, retail sales numbers and economic activity in major developed economies. Also keep a track on institutional investment in India which will have direct effect on gold price. Number 3. Currency fluctuations. Currencies and gold don't go together. So any change in the currencies, not just of dollar, but Japanese currencies would have impact on gold prices. We generally see history repeat itself at some point of time and will be better prepared this time if we have these data at hand. In the words of great Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Please do share this video with people around you so that they can make better financial decisions. Thank you.